Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you an honest review of the Settlemate app in 2025. We're breaking down what it does, its pros and cons, and whether Settlemate is a scam or actually worth using. Let's jump straight in. What is Settlemate? Settlemate is a finance and settlement tracking app designed to help users manage shared expenses, split bills, track borrowed money, and settle payments between friends, roommates, or co-workers. Think of it like Splitwise, but with extra features focused on settlements, reminders, and automated tracking. It's available on both Android and iOS, and the company claims it uses secure encryption to protect your data. Features and how it works. Here's a quick overview of what you can actually do with Settlemate. Split bills instantly with groups or individuals, track who owes who, and calculate exact amounts, auto reminders to notify people when payments are overdue, export reports for keeping financial records, sync with contacts to make settling easier, multi currency support for international users. The interface is simple, clean, and beginner friendly, which is a big plus. Pros. Here are the biggest advantages of using Settlemate. Very easy to use, clean user interface and simple setup, accurate tracking, reduces confusion in groups, good for roommates, trips, and shared projects, useful reminders so debts do not get forgotten, free version available and the paid version is inexpensive, works offline and syncs when your connection returns, strong privacy, no bank access required. Cons. But of course, there are some downsides. Ads in the free plan can be annoying, no direct banking integration, payments are not sent inside the app, limited customer support compared to bigger apps. Some features require premium, especially advanced reports, smaller user base compared to Splitwise, so not everyone uses it. Is Settlemate a scam? So the big question, is Settlemate a scam? Based on my testing and user feedback, no, Settlemate is not a scam. It is a legitimate expense sharing tool. It doesn't take your money, it doesn't connect to your bank, and it doesn't request sensitive financial data. The only payments inside the app are optional upgrades, and they are processed through the official app stores. Final verdict. If you need a simple way to track shared expenses, settle debts, or manage group payments, Settlemate is absolutely worth trying in 2025. It's not perfect, but it is reliable, accurate, and safe to use. If you'd like a full comparison between Settlemate and Splitwise, let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please consider like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, and goodbye.